In this video, we will look at how to construct a 60-degree angle using a pair of compasses, or if you want, you can just call it the compass, and the ruler and the pencil, of course. Notice, guys, that we're not going to use the protractor to construct these angles, right? The instructions, whenever you see the instruction, it will tell you what to use. So we're going to use a pair of compasses to get the 60-degree angle, right? The first thing you need is one of the legs of the angle. So you will draw one of the legs. Sometimes they will give you a specific length, but in this exercise, we're just interested in getting the angle. So draw a leg. I draw mine to be, let's say that's 8 centimeters long, all right, or 7 centimeters long. Select the side of the leg that you want the angle to be. Let's choose this side right here, right? So let's call this, this is going to be the vertex of the angle. Let's call it A. And then now we will use the compass to get our angle, right? Or to get the guide to our angle. The first thing you do, since you want the vertex to be at A, you're going to center the compass at A. Let's place it at A, right? And you're going to swing an arc. Now the arc, open the compass to a reasonable width, by the way, right? But it must not be longer than your leg, the leg that you have, because you need to intersect the leg. Now the arc that you're going to make with the compass should intersect the leg and extend to at least, let's say, a quarter of a circle, or about a quarter of a circle, right? On the side which you want the angle to be. So the angle is going to be in this vicinity, okay? Now that you have this intersection, the next thing to do is to center the compass at this intersection and make an arc or an arc just to intersect the first arc made. So it doesn't have to be big, just to get that intersection right there, right? Now, this intersection will lead you to the 60-degree angle. So what you will do now is take the ruler and draw the line, draw the straight line to connect the vertex point A to this intersection, right? And you'll get a 60-degree angle. So when you use the ruler, to ensure that you line this up carefully, you want your line to go through the intersection and through A, not beside them, but you need to get the line to go through those points, okay? So draw the line, and there you have a 60-degree angle. That's all there is to the 60-degree angle. Now, one thing you could use a protractor to do is to measure the angle to ensure that your construction is accurate. Okay, so there we have it. That's 60 right there. So we have a 60. Hold on, fix this properly. Right, so there we have it. We have a 60-degree angle. Okay.